Why do I have to keep asking you? Second semester. And no, it's killing me. Take it off all the way. Thank you. There's 3 things that I was just saying. Okay, now talk to your shoulder partner. What are the 2 characteristics of similar figures? Okay. What's it take to prove triangles similar? Talk to your shoulder partner. What's it take to prove triangles similar? Go. It's on my website. It's already there. Yep. And talk to your shoulder partner about how do you solve for missing sides when you do have similar figures? How do you solve for missing sides? We're not taking the test today. We're doing a review today. We're going to get a whiteboard. I know. I told you guys on Friday that I changed it because of where we were. I had this written up on Friday, scanned it on Monday. Today is review, tomorrow's the test. It got pushed back a day because of where we were. It happens. Unless you guys want to take the test today.
No.
I didn't think so. All right. So you've had your mental review. Now let's actually do a practice review. So first, you are going to think about how to prove these triangles similar. You're going to think about how to prove these triangles similar. So think about how would you start that process. First of all, yell out, what are the 3 things that we use to prove triangles similar? AA. All right. So whenever you approach a problem, you should think about what are you working towards. It may or may not be similar, but think about what are you working towards. So looking at this diagram, which of the 3 will we be working towards? SAS, very good. Side, angle, side. This is a variable, so I don't know what it is. Just ignore it for now. Okay? And we have side, angle, side. Again, a variable, just ignore it for right now. So we're trying to prove SAS. Do we already have our included congruent angle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to prove that your sides are proportional. So I'll let you guys do the work, but to make sure we start it correctly, 15 corresponds with which one? Why do you say 10, Kai?
Because it's the smallest one.
Smaller. Smaller goes with smaller, bigger goes with bigger. It's not a reflection. 15 goes with 10, 14 goes with 21. Set up your proportions. See if they are in fact proportional. So and thus if the triangles are similar. You have a whiteboard, just do your work on there, please. Kyla, you can be working on notes on the computer. That would make more sense.
Oh.
And yeah, show me what you've done. Some of the work that you have done when you are finished. Tell me if they are proportional or not. That's fine. That's exactly what I want to see. You can do either 15/10 or 10/15. It doesn't matter, but make sure you set up the other proportion the same way, or the other ratio. I'm showing both so that you can see both. Good, Kira. Good. Guys, put them up for me so I know you're actually finished, and I'll look, and I'll tell you if it's right or wrong. So you've set them up separately, so you have two different answers. You didn't do big triangle over small triangle for both, or small triangle over big triangle for both. You know what I mean, Mona Lisa? They're switched because you switched them, and they shouldn't be that way. You need to choose one way. Good. It doesn't matter which one you do. You can do 15 over 10 or 10 over 15. They're both correct. But then your second ratio with the 21 and the 14 needs to match. Okay. So if you do 15 over 10, what should be your other proportion?
21 over 14.
Yes. Big triangle over small triangle. Big triangle over small triangle. Big triangle over small triangle. If you did this way, you'd be switching them. But whichever way you do it, they need to match. And then you can correctly decide if they are equal, and thus if they're proportional, and thus if they are similar. Check your 14 over 21 again. What can they both be divided by? 7. All right, so you either got 3 over 2 or 1.5 for both of those, or you got 2/3 or 0.6 repeating for both of those. So sides are proportional. What's that mean about our triangles, guys?
It's size.
Yes, similar by side angle side. Very good. Now, once that we have proven that, let's take it to the next level. We know they are similar. I'm going to have you guys finding the other sides. So I'm going to tell you that A is 18. That's this one right here. I want you to find X. So if that side is 18, solve for X. Once you have your answer, put it on your board and show me. There's more than one way of solving it, but we did set up proportions for most of these to solve. If you look back at all your examples that you've done, then look them up. Be resourceful. Yep. 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 Yeah. You are good to go, man. Yep. Yep. Good. Yes, that's right. Yes. Yes, yes. Good job. So there's a couple different ways. You can either do 15 over 10 equals 18 over X. You could do 10 over 15 equals X over 18. Some people actually use the reduced version of 2/3 or 3/2. As long as you use them correctly, that's fine. Also, your scale factor to go from here to here is times 1.5. No, sorry, divide by 1.5. So you can get the 18 to get to the 12 that way. If you see it that way, cool. If not, don't worry about it. Set up your proportion. Okay, but this is what we mainly practiced with. And then cross multiply from there. Okay? That's what I give you.
Oh.
I said that, silly. Yeah. All right. That was your warm-up, making sure we were all good to go. Go and erase your boards. Get them returned. Whoever didn't get the partner's boards, go to return those, please. And then we're going to be doing our scavenger hunt. You actually don't need spare paper for your scavenger hunt. I have it for you. All right. Get the scavenger hunt papers passed down, please.
Come on, Byron.
Come on, Byron. Step up. All right. The reason I did this for you guys, instead of using a scratch paper, is because look at the back. I provided you with diagrams so that if you needed to go through and highlight, you have that ability. Obviously, you can't do that to the ones on the wall. So I wanted to be able to give you something to write on if you needed to. I think there's 1 or 2 diagrams that I skipped because I thought that it should have been mental math, but sorry, whatever. Anyways, so if you are new and you don't know how to do a scavenger hunt, I will come help you. The rest of you know what you are doing. Find out how many questions there are, please. Take a second. Find out how many questions there are. 14. Okay? It'll take us the whole period, maybe a little bit into the end of the period. Depends on who you are, just how fast you work. When you are finished, come to me. It is for a grade. And if you still have more time and have a note card to make better, then that's what you are doing for the remainder of the period. If you don't finish today, then I'll give you a few minutes tomorrow to finish. That is fine. But you'll need to do your note card on your own time, or maybe you did it on Friday already. Yes, you may work with somebody. That's fine as long as you are working. You can take your binder to walk around with you. Bring your packet with you, of course. I also have these 2 up here on the board, so I will move those. But if you know what you're doing, go ahead and get started. Those of you that are new to scavenger hunts, I will come talk to you.